Do you think you need big challenge to speak good English? શું તમને લાગે છે કે સારું ઇંગ્લિશ બોલવા માટે ખૂબ જ મહેનતની જરૂર છે? Not really. Because small steps taken daily make the biggest success. તમારા નાના નાના રોજના પ્રયત્નો તમારી મોટી સફળતાનો માર્ગ છે. હેલો એવરીવન, myself Pragna Patel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, let's learn daily English habits that will change your life forever. You don't have to practice for hours every day. તમારે દરરોજ થોડી મહેનત પૂરતી છે. Speak 5 sentences daily in the morning. Listen to one English clip at lunch. Write 3 new words before bed. These 3 small habits create a big change. Some people wait for motivation to start. But motivation starts after you start. ઘણા લોકો કહે છે કે કાલથી શરૂ કરીશ, પરંતુ એમની કાલ ક્યારે આવતી નથી. So start today. Speak one sentence daily, even if it's wrong. Because small efforts daily build your confidence. Your journey may be slow, but it's your journey. ધીમે ધીમે ચાલવું પણ પ્રગતિ જ છે. Don't compare yourself with others. They started before you. Focus on your progress, not perfection. You are growing. You are learning. You are becoming stronger. So guys, remember, your small step will take you to big success. રોજ થોડું બોલો, રોજ થોડું લખો, રોજ થોડું સાંભળો, બસ સતત રહો. Now repeat after me. I am improving every day. My small efforts matter. I reach my goal soon. So friends, keep smiling, keep learning, keep shining. Thank you so much for watching. Follow for more English learning and motivational video. Take care and goodbye.